Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change video settings in GoToMeeting. So let's start with how you can change webcam. So as you can see, I got this camera right here. You will be able to see me. And what you want to do is just go right top corner to settings, and then you can click here on webcam and change it. And I think it's going to be black now, or it's not going to work at all. Or you can go to open preferences, and then you're going to see webcam here, and now you get a select camera and you can change that. Oh, I'm using right now for different audio device. Then you can like change the display format, and then you gotta see advanced that you can actually change the camera control and everything. Look at this. Zoom, focus, exposure, tilt. You can literally change everything here. So that's pretty much it. And thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.